Hi guys, today I will talk about self-employed farmer streams of Alberta. Alberta is a province of Canada. They have introduced a stream that is called self-employed stream, and in this stream, stay with me till the end of this video. This is going to be very interesting for those who have farm management experience and they want to become a self-employed as a farmer. So those who are new on my channel, please do subscribe this channel and hit the bell button so that you can get notification of new videos on time and you won't miss them. So let's start the topic. Eligibility criteria for this stream that is called farm management skills: show your financial documentation of an existing farm business, provide your education documents, training and work experience documents as well, and a proposed business plan for the farming enterprise you are considering in Alberta. And you have to prove that a Canadian financial institution is willing to finance your proposed farming business, guys. You must have sufficient financial resources. You must be able to invest a minimum of Canadian $500,000 of equity in a primary production farming business in Alberta, and that amount you must have to prove through the documents, and you have to show the ability to invest more than the minimum. Okay, the minimum is $500,000. You have to show more than that. Okay, and the primary production investment candidates, they must document their investment plan in a proposed business plan and submit this with their application to the Alberta Immigration Nominee Program. You could be eligible if you have been issued a letter on a previous AINP application that stated you are not eligible to reapply to the AINP, guys. If you have had a removal order issued against you by the IRCC or Canadian Border Service Agency, the AINP does not intervene in the federal refugee claim, appeal or removal process. If you do not have a valid temporary residence status, while you are, guys, you must have a valid temporary residence status in Canada to apply for this stream. You must not be a live-in caregiver currently living in Canada. And you also cannot apply if you working or residing as a temporary foreign worker in a province other than Alberta. Suppose this is for Albertans who are living in Alberta, guys. If you are in Quebec, then this program is not for you. And if you are an international student studying in Canada, including students doing co-op work placement or internship as a part of their study program, they are also not eligible for this stream. You can contact AINP, Alberta Immigration Nominee Program, okay, if you have any question through this email. Application steps: first of all, you have to read terms and conditions of this application. Second, you have to review the eligibility criteria, guys, before applying. The third step, you have to download checklist and complete application form. You must complete the following original forms with original signatures. If you have not PDF installed in your computer, install that, otherwise you won't be able to download these forms. If you have mailed your application to AINP after October 1st, 2020, then you have to pay $500 Canadian as an application fees, and this is very normal. And there is no fees for application which is mailed before October 1st, 2020. You must include a copy of fee payment receipt with your application. If you don't, you will have 10 business days to provide proof of payment. If your application has been approved, you will become a provincial nominee and you will get a nomination package by email. Make sure you read all documents in the package. Step 5, you have to mail your application to the AINP. Any question, I will try to reach you as soon as possible, and have a wonderful day.